Hello? There's a problem. Oh. Hello. Hello, I just woke up and I'm experiencing some difficulties right now. Feeling rested? You could say that. No technical technical difficulties if you count my what happened to my voice? Fine. We were talking. I've never had hang-ups. I read the word hangover. I've never had hiccups on stream before, and we were talking about them last night. I tried to put my finger close to my eye, and then I touched my eye a little bit, and as soon as my body realized that my finger was no harm to my eye, it decided that it was no longer afraid of my finger. So that didn't work. When I get hiccups, I get them really intense. And when I try to clear them up, sometimes it sounds like the world is ending when I hiccup. You might get to see something like that. Evil Ame spirit is here. No, it's not Amelia's fault. I've been having weird hiccup issues recently. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't used to get them as much, and now it's all the time. They just sneak up on me. Well, we're gonna try my tried and true method, which is drinking water upside down. I guess I'm gonna have to drink it from the tap. Just a moment, please. I'm gonna go and get some tap water and a glass, and we're gonna drink it backwards. Hold on. Water. Okay. Got it. I'm gonna drink it upside down. Okay? Wait, backwards? Yeah, so basically, I'm gonna lean really far forward. I'm gonna put the edge farthest away from my mouth, on my bottom lip, and I'm gonna bend over and drink it that way. Alright, so here we go. 7 seconds, baby, or 7 gulps. Here we so much. Here we go! It's hiccup bye-bye time. Here we go. Exterminate the hiccup. Ready, go. Yay! They're gone! I did nine gulps for good measure. Yay! Okay, but I did spill a little water on the ground, so just a moment. Clean it up really quick. There we go. Hiccups defeated. Okay. I feel good now. I feel really good about water. My way. Okay. Feel great. Rest in peace, hiccups. Yeah. Here to slay those hiccups. By the way, it's still pretty early here, so I ordered breakfast.